What's the meaning of collide? Collide. Collide.
Collide. Collide. Collide means to come into forceful contact with something or someone. When two objects collide, they strike each other with significant force, often resulting in a physical impact or collision. The result of a collision can vary based on the object's speeds, masses, and angles of impact. It may cause damage to either or both objects, which can be minor or severe depending on the circumstances. Collisions can occur in various contexts, including physics, sports, traffic accidents, and interpersonal relationships.